Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you why I love this Jackson Palmer hardware assortment kit. So I've been using this quite a bit. I like how it stores. I like all the individual screws that I find in it. I especially like that it's in 3 trays and we can attach all 3 of these trays and carry them around. But it's super easy to detach one. Press that little button down, rotate this just pull this forward, and this one comes out. Then when you want to store all 3 together, set it on top. You're going to be engaging these feet right here. Push it back. It's a little hard one-handed. Push it back. Yeah, you just push it back, then tilt that up. Now I can take this all around. This handle stores flat. I like all the different screws. Now I did have a couple dividers come out, but I could move those dividers or open them up like I did here, but I wish the dividers were held in maybe a little bit, but I like the diversity of the different screws. That's what I really got it for. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this in my cabinet. And again, to open it up, all you do, these are the tabs you do to open it. They're nice and solid. Open it up, there's the screws, nice and organized, bolts. I got metric and standard. I like that it tells me what here. I got metric, standard, and this is sheet metal and wood screws. So again, the screws are actually really good. They don't strip out when I'm using them. I've used quite a few of these wood screws. So again, this is just a kit that I've really been looking forward to, and it doesn't take up much space. I like that all 3 store together. Super easy. 11 inches with all 3 stacked together, 6 inches. And let's do front to back, about another 6 inches. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.